Hello there, my crafty friends. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. I'm passionate about paper crafting, and I am the creator of the Cultivated Creativity program, a monthly DIY paper crafting kit designed to help you create stunning projects with ease and joy. Whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, this program is your ticket to exploring new techniques, discovering beautiful designs, and experiencing the simple pleasure of creating something new with your hands. For only $39.99 a month, you'll receive supplies for 4 cards and one special not a card project. We have detailed instructions and guidance to make your crafting experience stress-free, all packaged in a beautifully created kit that feels like a gift to yourself every single month. But that's not all. Each kit centers around a featured stamp set, which you can choose to add on to your kit or use what you already have at home. It's about giving you that flexibility and making crafting fun. So this month, I'm excited to share that we're featuring the Natural Botanicals Stamp Set from the upcoming brand new Spring Mini Catalog by Stampin' Up! This stamp set is a must-have. It's a reversible stamp set, which means you can stamp on both sides of the stamp. One side gives you these beautiful detailed outlines, and the other side fills in with soft color and dimension. The versatility here is incredible, and you can use them separately or layer them for maximum effect. Now, here's a little sneak peek at what you'll be creating in our January kit. We're going to be working with 4 beautifully designed cards with the highlight the Natural Botanicals charm of the stamp set. So first one here, and this one's a fun fold. I'm not going to show you the insides. We keep those for our attendees. This one also has a fun fold to it as well. And then we've got this one, another simple fun fold, and another simple fun fold. Our Not a Card project is perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. So I'm not going to open it, but we do include the treat or surprise or giftable that goes inside our Not a Card project when that's appropriate. Plus, we're going to include some fun techniques using Stampin' Write markers to add that extra wow factor to your creations. I truly believe that crafting is more than just making pretty things. It's about taking time for yourself, finding joy in that process, and connecting with a community of fellow crafters who inspire and support one another. If you're ready to make 2025 your most creative year yet, I'd love for you to join the Cultivated Creativity program. Registration for this month's kit closes on January 20th, so don't wait. You can find the details and sign up using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I can't wait to see you in the program to craft together in 2025. Until next time, keep creating and spreading joy. Bye for now.